Apple CarPlay is the smarter, safer way to drive. Make calls, respond to texts, get directions, and listen to music, all while staying focused on the road. Just plug your iPhone into the vehicle's USB outlet and it pairs right up. Ask Siri to play your favorite song or scroll through the categories, showing you album covers and song information for easy access. With Maps, get directions and see your way around town much easier with the display screen. Check your messages and have them read aloud back to you.
Let's go see a funny movie this weekend.
Reply, that sounds great.
Would you like me to send?
Yes.
Okay.
To make calls, press the voice button on your steering wheel, activating Siri. Call Mom.
Okay, calling Mom.
And along with these standard apps, visit the Apple App Store to add lots more, including car-specific apps. CarPlay is available with the iPhone 5 and above, as well as all current models.